going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Smoky Films here today. We're at Raleigh Raceway, here driving for Letsuri. This is going to be my first time at a dry event and testing out the RCC kit, finally getting a good test, but it should be good. Let's go walk around the pits and see what all these cars are about.
Alright, so we've got our passes. I've got my media pass, my passenger pass. He's got his driver's pass. He's filling up the tyres as we speak. He's just going to get the right pressures in them. And let's go give Jesse's first dry run a test, eh? You keen, Jesse? Yeah! Alright, well, the first couple runs, I'm going to be in the car with him just to give him some tech tips. So it'll just be some GoPro footage, and then I'll jump out onto the track once he's getting it. Yo!
Yeah, first time going on this track driving. Should be good. Very keen, very excited, waiting for this light to go green.
On the top section, hell yeah! Woo! She sings, lad. Mr. Green, you linked the top of the track.
I did. I linked the whole track. So much fun. I was in the right spot, and I've been handbrake and entering. I just knew where I was at, what to do. Handbraked in and dialed it. I've got the whole track down now. Pretty stoked about that. But yeah. We're now running low on rubber on our first set. So we're going to change them over, chuck new tyres on and run it back.
Do it.
Alright guys, I'm currently in the passenger seat and we got Aaron driving. Chucking on his helmet, we'll give you the POV. How do you reckon you're going to go, Aaron?
I'm nervous. I haven't had good runs on my last time at Raleigh, but that's because of the car, so I reckon it'll be fun. Let's do it.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
let it cool down? Yeah, surely not.
Alright, I guess we'll speak to you when we're in the pits. The clutch seems like it just went bye-bye, which it shouldn't have. It's a brand new clutch. It had less than 4,000 Ks on it. Not less than 1,000, I reckon. So, see what happens. Chat to you in the pits.
Okay, so I did my run. Thank you very much, Jesse Green. The car drives really well now. It drives so much better with an RCC kit. You can actually find angle, and it's self-steering much better now. Coilovers is definitely the next thing, but it's driving really, really good. In my time of driving it, I was doing some third gears up the hill, and I hit third a little bit early at some stage, so the clutch started spinning. So couldn't try and avoid that for the rest of the day. And then Jesse jumped back in, he went for a drive, and up the top section, he kind of just lost power. He was like, what the hell is going on? And we get back here, I'm like, oh, there's a mad exhaust leak of some form. And the turbo actually separated from the manifold. So right where Jesse is in here, the manifold separated from the turbo and created that massive exhaust leak. So Jesse's just tightening all of these up now, getting that sorted, and we'll be back out there and ready to go, won't we, Mr. Green?
We will indeed. There's more skids and that.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. We're missing a bolt.
We've lost a bolt.
Yeah.
Alright, 1 bolt down, 3 to go.
We're missing 2, bro.
Missing 2.
Oh no, we got 1.
Okay. We have 3 bolts holding this manifold and turbo together. We only need 1. It's always scary when something happens on the track and you're not sure what it is, but good times. Someone else just blew a gearbox too on the track with an SR, so bad times for them.
Never has made that shit.
Jesse, what's going on, bro?
If you have a look at my exhaust manifold and turbo, there's half a bolt holding that in. My gasket's hanging outside, lost all boost. So now I'm going to try and pull the manifold and the turbo out, bolt it back together because we can't access it from out here. So it's going to come out, put it all back together, and then put it back in. Let's do it.
Today.
Yeah, today. And up! Yep, got the handbrake. Yeah! That was easy.
The journey of talking about SR things, we've got another SR problem going on up here, and that has blown second gear. So they've got another gearbox for it here already somehow, and they're going to try and put it in tonight to drive tomorrow. What's going on?
Not a lot at the moment.
What'd you do?
Second gear decided to destroy itself.
Oh shit. Do you have a plan?
Oh well, I teed up another gearbox. Old bud has another one. He's originally said $500, and then Ryan, he's drunk, and he haggled him down to $300. So now I bought a gearbox for $300, and I'm gonna swap it in tonight.
Hell yeah, we'll be driving tomorrow.
Hopefully,
Fucking oath,
fingers
yeah.
crossed.
Hell yeah.
That's the plan.
So it is all going on at the track, but everyone's good spirits, good vibes, and all seems fixable stuff at the moment. Those guys are lucky that they found another gearbox at Raleigh. Like someone else with an RB20 gearbox or RB30 gearbox managed to have one, and they sold it to him. It's crazy. Let's see how the second SR people are going. Jesse, you winning?
Yeah, I got the dump bolts out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, pretty much.
True. Well, you're further than them. They're trying to take off an exhaust. They haven't got anywhere yet, so you're winning. It's a race for the SRs. Which one's back first? Yeah, I wanted that. Where did that go? That didn't need to go.
Once it's
Non-existing gasket from his turbo to his manifold. So we're going to...
I haven't cut it yet.
This is our gasket.
We're going to turn this into these. Track fixes. Alright, and Gearbox has arrived for Caleb's 180, so we're still carrying on with Jesse's, still trying to get that manifold and turbo back on. It's just such terrible spots for nuts and bolts and stuff, but let's work on to this one here now. New Gearbox returned.
It's not that big a deal.
The gearbox you're pulling out the same size as that thing?
That's what we're yet to test.
Oh.
I don't know.
At the very least, we're pulling it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there anything I can help with?
Give me a kiss.
What up? Welcome to the Sunday of our adventures. Last night, with the help of Big John, we managed to get our turbo pulled out and put back on. If you can see, our gasket is currently a hard solo can. I don't know if you can tell. 18 plus. No, if you're not 18 plus, then allowed to use this turbo by the looks of it. But we got 4 bolts and half a gasket, so hopefully we should have enough power now to skid. But we'll see what happens. I have faith. It is leaking a little bit, but trackside repair, you do what you got to do. Let's go suss out the blue 180, see where they're at with the box, eh?
So yeah, I pulled my box, thinking that I had another one sourced from down the road for 300 bucks. Pulled it, realised this is not gonna fit. It's a RB30 box, so I needed an RB20. So second option was 4 hours away. My mate had a new, freshly rebuilt SR box, but it was 4 hours one way. Luckily, we had Cooper, who hadn't left yet and was going to be coming up anyway. So we sourced a family member to give him some keys for the workshop. He went there, grabbed the box, made the 4 hour trip here. I have the box.
No, you're gonna put the box in.
Now I'm going to put the box in.
Well, damn.
Reusing this.
Gearbox changed overnight, baby.
Over morning, bro. You done?
Yeah, dude.
You winning?
I'm winning.
Hell yeah.
Let's do.
Give some love.
trip for us. All wrapped up, trailers hooked on, we're all packed up. 180, got a coolant leak, blown gasket. Other than that, she lived on. I will be back here at this track, but had a lot of fun. Thanks to Letty for holding the event. Thanks to all the boys for driving. Thanks to Aaron for filming. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one. Cheers!